Something to Someone by Dermot Kennedy is played in standard tuning with a capo on the 5th fret. We're going to start the song on the low E string at the 3rd fret relative to capo. We're going to play the low E, followed by the G string, repeating for a full bar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then going to move up to the 12th fret or the 7th relative to capo. We're going to play 7 on the low E, open G. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and same picking again. So far, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we're going to go to open E and also the G string open, same again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the next note we're going to play is the 3rd fret on the A string and the G string repeating, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that repeats, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 7, 2 and 3 and 4 and open, 2, 3 and 4 and 3 on the A string, 3 and 4 and repeat. You may notice on the live versions of the song that we don't play up here. We actually swap that note for the 2nd fret on the A and the G string open. It's exactly the same note, just in a different place on the guitar. So that would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then 2nd on the A, open E, 3rd on the A. The chord shapes we're going to use for this song are a G major chord, our 2nd finger, low E string at the 3rd fret, 1st finger, 2nd fret at the A, 3rd finger, 3rd fret at the B, and pinky finger, 3rd fret at the high E string. Strumming is all down strums in 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We go to our 2nd chord, which is a G with the B in the bass. All we're actually going to do is take this 2nd finger off and mute the low E string, either with the tip of your 1st finger or with the thumb on the left hand hooking over. Same strumming, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We go to an E minor 7 chord, which is exactly the same chord voicing. We're just going to hear the low E string this time. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Then we go to a cadd9. So these top 2 fingers, the 3rd and 4th finger, stay exactly the same. We're going to put the 2nd finger on the A string at the 3rd fret and the 1st finger on the 2nd fret, of the D string. Same strumming, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the whole thing is G, 2 and 3 and 4 and G with the B in the bass, E minor 7, cadd9. On the studio version of this song, the 2nd chord we play, this G with the B in the bass, is actually played slightly differently. It's played up here at the 12th fret or the 7th fret relative to capo, muted A string, open D, open G, same strumming as before, so it would sound like this. You got the G, 2 and 3 and 4, and then the G with the B in the bass, still the same chord, and then to E minor 7, cadd9. For more guitar tutorials, check out this link here. Any requests, let me know in the comment. Good luck with this one. I'll be practicing, and take care.